What is up, YouTube? I was just clicking my 10 ads. I was in the mix of clicking my 10 ads, and I seen this beer company. They're promoting their company, their beer company, on Feature Ad Pro. And I just want to make this quick introduction just to show you guys that there's no limitations to what you can promote on Feature Ad Pro. I believe this company is from the United Kingdom. So yeah, I just wanted to make this quick video just to show you guys that, hey, that you can promote whatever you want to. You can promote this, that, whatever idea, whatever company that you want to bring to life, that you want to drive more traffic to. You can do that with a Feature Ad Pro, and there's no limitations. All right, no limitations. Alright guys, I wanted to make this quick introduction video. I want to make this quick video talking about the last year being broke plan and the reason why I downgraded from the Power Lead system back to Lead Lightning. Okay, so like I said, this is last year being broke plan, and with that being said, we do not want any monthly fees. Okay, monthly fees do not do anything good for us. Okay, because we have to constantly, it's like another bill that we have to account for. So monthly fees are out the window. Okay, so we're strictly focusing on businesses with no monthly fees, a one-time fee. So that starts off with Lead Lightning. Okay, that's a one-time $7, and then we got Feature Ad Pro. All right, Feature Ad Pro, you can get in where you fit in. There's no monthly fees or anything like that. Okay, and then we are currently promoting FeatureNet as well. FeatureNet is a free platform to promote whatever you want to promote. It's a social media platform. Okay, so those are the only businesses that I'm currently promoting right now. That's Lead Lightning, FeatureNet, and Feature Ad Pro. That's it. Okay, and then we have the traffic sources, which is a additional stream of income. So you got Udemy, you got Chris Clicks, and MLM Leads. Okay, so if you're not interested in the business, okay, then you could be interested, you will be interested in the traffic, because everybody needs traffic. Okay, everybody needs traffic. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 streams of income for you, 6 including Lead Lightning. Okay, so we got 6 streams of income already at the ground level. Okay, with no monthly fees. Okay, that's really what I want to talk about, is no monthly fees. I do plan on upgrading to Power Lead system in the future, but for right now, I want to strictly do one-time fees only, so no monthly fees. Okay, I am currently looking at another primary business to hop into, but I have to gather up the necessary funds to get into the business. And of course, this business is a one-time fee, no monthly fees at all. So that's what I really want to focus on right now, is getting you guys to understand the process, and don't get married to one business. Get married to the full system. The last year being broke plan. Get married to that, and not specifically one business. Okay, but for right now, I just wanted to create this little update video. Right now, it's strictly the traffic sources, which is Udemy, Chris Clicks, MLM Leads, Feature Ad Pro, FeatureNet, and Lead Lightning. Okay, and that's all I'm doing right now, is driving traffic to my YouTube channel by creating videos, by creating content like this. If you guys are wondering like what I'm doing, or go to my YouTube channel. Yeah, if you guys are wondering like where, like is he going to which business, like, no, I'm just strictly promoting Lead Lightning, FeatureNet, Feature Ad Pro, and the traffic sources. And remember, you can earn money from referring people when people buy traffic from your links. Okay, so when people buy traffic from your links, you get commissions, and that's why I'm making these videos. Okay, because I'm not in the primary business. It's just Lead Lightning and the traffic sources for me at this point. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching. I'm not currently promoting Internet Lifestyle Pros anymore because I downgraded to the Lead Lightning. So there's no reason for me to keep promoting Internet Lifestyle Pros when I just downgraded. So that's the only thing that subtracted from the equation, is Internet Lifestyle Pros and Power Lead system. Everything else stays the same. I will definitely let you guys know when my primary business gets on the ground. And thanks for watching. I'll see you on the inside.